grocery store, putting everything away, and look what I found. Something that's been a hot commodity in Colorado. I don't care if you're in the foothills, high country, back country, whatever. The city, everybody has been looking for bananas. Everybody has been looking for bananas. So I finally found some bananas. I'm super happy about it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a snow day vlog. Now, what I want to show y'all is how it's snowing. Let's see how it's getting down outside. Ready? This is how it's getting down outside. This is how it's snowing. I can feel it coming through. There we go. But it's sticking. They're saying in the city we're going to be getting like 1 to 4 feet of snow. So, oh yeah, I went shopping and I don't know when and where I lost my earring. I don't know when and where, but I look crazy. But you know, I love my little fuzzy sweatshirt. Whatever. So, yeah. That's what it is. We're going to be doing a snowed in vlog. It's going to be fun, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to probably cook today and do some other fun stuff. So yeah, it'll be fun. And do like a facial or do my nails or something like that and just chill. Be cozy. Maybe have some hot cocoa. Like the last week of winter, I think, or I don't, yeah, but it's gonna be fun. And I really want to find my earring because I look crazy when I want the earring in. So yeah, I hope I can find my earring. Operation find that earring. So yeah, I will hopefully find my earring, get all these groceries put up, and figure out what I'm gonna be doing next. And we'll be doing that next. Hey guys, so have like a little burrito going here, a breakfast burrito, because you know, got up a little late, didn't get to eat breakfast. Then I have some salsa, and then went to the store, and you know, there was a possibility of the power being cut off, so got some candles. I mean, I always have like candles. Always have candles. Anyways, and then these are the new candles. So got pumpkin nutmeg pie, fresh lavender breeze, and apple cinnamon. So I got a few candles here. So just in case if the power gets cut off, I mean, I always have like a lot of candles anyway, so. And we'll be good. Have some blankets and everything, but right now it's fine. It's not actually that cold, so I think we'll be good. But yeah, so, you know, we can be prepared for this highly anticipated snowstorm, historic amount of. We have something to drink while we watch the storm pass. So it's still snowing, as you can see, guys. It is still snowing. It is still snowing. So yeah. Y'all, so I'm gonna be making some tea. Put a little lemon juice in my tea. I have my little booties on. Make some tea. Oops. There we go. Got some nice water. And I like to let my water sit for a little bit before I add my tea bag, you know, so that it doesn't burn the herbs in the tea. So I can have a really good, nice cup of hot tea. This is how we're looking, guys. So this is 24 hours later. I was really super busy yesterday doing some stuff for my brand and everything. So I was doing that, and it was like maybe a foot of snow, but like right now it's probably over a foot. I'm probably gonna go out and do a lymph check on the snow, especially right on this side. That has a lot of snow, and you can see the wind. Look how it's blowing. Look at that poor limb right there. Look at that poor limb. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is just from the balcony. Yeah. Yum. Making some homemade popcorn. Just have to move it around a little bit so the kernels don't burn. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. And then I'm gonna more than likely put a little bit of the kettle corn seasoning on it, or melt a little butter. There we go. Yum. It's gonna be so good. All these need to cook over here. So. There we go. Whoop, whoop. There we go. There we go, nice. They're all done. I'm gonna turn the fire off. Just let it finish cooking. Sometimes if there's a few more kernels to pop, they'll just pop. They'll just keep popping. There we go. That's what we like to see. We don't see any burnt popcorn kernels. So it's done. Goodness. My face looks crazy. So I'm doing this face mask, sheet mask here. Well, and I have these under here. While we're snowed in. Let's actually go look and see. Oh my goodness. It's even higher than last time. Wow. And then it's still snowing. It's about, the time is, I want to say it's about 9:09. Earlier, it was like around 5. So this is 9 o'clock, at night. And it's March 16th, I believe. Sunday the 16th?
14th.
Oh, March 14th. Sunday the 14th. And yesterday was the 13th. And this is what we got so far, 24 hours later. And yeah, it's crazy. Look at all the snow. It's just been snowing and snowing and snowing. It's just been snowing, snowing, and snowing all. That's what it felt weird. All day. So I decided to just do a little facial. Do my nails, which I haven't even did my nails yet, but I'm gonna do my nails. Just relax and chill. And yeah, I'm thinking that's all I can do for today since there's nothing else to do and we're like snowed in. Like, I don't know how much snow it is. I think it's at least 2-3 feet now, huh? It's at least 2 or 3 feet. So I'm gonna let this mask sit on my face. I'm gonna let it sit on my face. It keeps falling down. And let it do its thing. Another update on the snow. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm going to sit down, relax, drink my tea. I don't want to get the mask in my mouth. But yeah. And then, so, I'm not sure which color I'm going to paint my nails, but this is my favorite one. But I might paint my nails with this one and do like the middle finger or the ring finger with this one. But yeah. Just, I think that's what I'll do. And I'll show you guys what my nails look like when I'm done. Finish my nails. You see, can you see? So I colored it. I used these colors here. And this one, Sally Hansen. And this is Sally Hansen, also Insta Dry. And then I used the top coat, the Sally Hansen Dries Instantly top coat. Use that. And that's what my nails look like. Just have to let them finish drying, and then I'm gonna take this mask off. And yeah, this is the face. I can't really see into the camera, but I think my face looks good. Let me put my glasses on. Woo! There we are. I think that looks really, really, really good. I think it looks really, 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 really good. I think my skin... I think my skin looks really clear. Let's see how... Y'all, good morning. So I obviously got up like a couple hours ago. I made some tea. I gotta do something to my hair. I washed, just like put some cholesterol in it, and you know, it feels so good. But all I did was put it up in a high ponytail and just do my edges yesterday. So I haven't been outside in about 2 days, and that's just because it's been cold. So I haven't really wanted to go outside, and I bought everything Friday night and Saturday morning, and then I got in before the storm. And yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging some more today. So I have some tea. I'm gonna go make some tea because that's usually something that's extremely helpful for me. Like when I'm getting up in the morning, I love to have some tea. I love to have some green tea. It's like one of my favorite teas. So yeah, my hair looks a mess, but it's okay. There's nothing to it but to do it. Like, I can get cute in like 2 seconds. Or as they say, get cute, you know? So, go get cute. I love to have a little lemon in my tea. I'm watching my little gossip blog. What's your favorite gossip blog? Mine happens to be right now, and I absolutely love Mob Radio. I just love Millie. Like, Millie could go tell me to, like, forget my mama or something like that. I'm still love Millie. I love Millie. She is the truth. So, let's get some tea. There we go. The honey lemon green tea, my favorite. So I already made my water. So I have on like a little teddy dress with some leggings. Got some socks, something to keep it cozy. So I have my tumbler, my tea, and I have some water. I like to always pour my water first. I don't know if you noticed that. I always pour my water first, so that I don't burn the tea, and that I don't burn the, sometimes I put like a drop of honey, but it already has honey in it, so I really don't. Wow, you see that? I'm such a messy girl. Okay, I cleaned it up. So I'm gonna let this sit. My tea bag got a little wet, so that it can just cool off a little bit. Look at that, the sound waves. And I'm gonna have a grapefruit. I've been slacking. I have a couple more left, so I need to eat my grapefruit. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. It's not 11:20, but yeah, it is, I want to say 12:21. So yeah, it's super late. I don't usually, I mean, if I don't gotta wake up early, I'm not. So, because I usually be up at like, go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Really cool.
We got
Put him back on the diving board.
We got him on the diving board. Yeah.
And how many? You didn't look? One, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, snap.
It's awesome, right?
Yeah, he's in the hot tub.
The hot tub.
Yeah, but I say hot tub because it's so cool. Spin the wheel. One again.
He dived, huh?
Yeah. One. I hope I get a different.
Hey y'all, so you know, we've been going through this little snowstorm or whatever, but it looks like it's clearing up. Let's see. Looks like it's clearing up. pretty much all the snow's falling off of the balcony and on the roof. And on that limb there, you see that limb right there? It's leaning really, really low. So, you know, it could have failed. Thank goodness it didn't. So that's really great. Yeah, I just, you know, I got my workout outfit on. Just worked out. So that I can do something productive. So I rather work out and do something productive than just sit around and not do nothing at all. Because I think that's a lot better. I think that's a lot better for you to do, especially while you ain't got nothing to do. Like, some people are just literally sitting around and eating. I mean, that's okay, whatever, but I can't just do that. I gotta actually do something. So I worked out, lift some weights. My arms are a little sore, but everything's gonna be good. But thank y'all for watching this 2-day vlog. I didn't know I was gonna get through it, but I got through it. My baby's home, so excited. I'm gonna be getting ready for dinner here soon. Dinner's in the oven. So you probably can see that it says pre. So it's preheating, dinner's in the oven. And yeah, I'm gonna be making dinner soon, having some salmon and some broccoli with some rice so that I can do that. Yeah. But thank y'all again for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment. Don't forget to please comment about, if you live in Colorado, how much snow did you get? I want to say we got about 4 foot of snow here in Aurora. I went outside earlier and I could not really get through the snow like easily. So we got like at least 4 feet here. I know in Castle Pines they got like 7 feet. So yeah, got a pretty good amount of snow. But thank you so much for watching this video again. Like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video if you care. And I will catch y'all in the